Hello everyone, T5, the Traveler here with Becky, the Trekkie. It is 2024 60th anniversary of SeaWorld here in Orlando, and we're gonna go on the Pipeline surf coaster. So this is a stand-up surf roller coaster. The restraints come over the shoulder, it launches you up, and then you feel like you're just catching the surf on the waves.
Stand up.
And we'll bring you on board point of view. For that, you're totally allowed to film here. You just show them your equipment on the way in, and they'll let you film on the rides. No worries there. We're hats off to them. That's a great thing for that. And in we go. We're going to use our one of our fast pass tickets for this one. All right, since we had those season passes, we did have a quick queue ticket that we could use on this ride. It doesn't look like the line's too long. I'm going to say probably about 30 minutes regular wait time, and we're probably going to be in just under 10. A lot of people use the quick queue pass on this one, and it's a nice ride. So let's see how she runs. So they got you on this orange surfboard. It's a stand-up configuration. They just have you stand all the way up. And then they lock you in place, and wherever it locks in when you're on your feet, that's where you're gonna ride. Pipeline, Becky, Pipeline surf coaster. Stand up. You gotta push the seat down a little bit and turn like almost like you're doing a dip or something at the gym. Kind of push it down with your hands on the handles and see how it goes. All right, let's see if we can see Becky get in it. Let's see. Watch your head. Got to stick your head through that. Yep. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's a kind of a little bit of a push, and then sneak up through like this. And then I'm gonna stand up. When you pull this down, it's got this kind of a rubber shoulder strap or something. I got a little bend in the knees, but my feet are pretty much back all the way against that black back footrest. So I'm basically just almost vertical with a little knee bend. So just a little. My knees aren't like I could lock them if I want. Oh, that was fast. Awesome. You hanging in okay in the heat? It's a hot one today. Like 102, I think so. All right. Pipeline, Becky. This is really, I feel, is like why we came to this park. We wanted to get on this stand-up. They're rare as can be anymore. Most of them have been converted over to floorless. I was on King Cobra at Kings Island years ago, and the line for that when it first came out was outrageous, and it just had the one loop. So, oh boy, we're going. I think we're locked in. All right, surf's up, everybody. Pipeline launch coaster, SeaWorld, 2024, and about 102 or 103 degrees. So couldn't be a warmer, brighter day for it. Okay, you ready, Becky? Oh! My feet came off the board. Oh, I'm in the air. Oh, what is going on? Holy smoke, what is that down? Oh! I'm in the breeze! Woo! Oh, this is different. Oh! The shoes leave the surfboard. Around she goes. Oh! Whoa, what in the world? Wow, what? Oh, that was just something. I don't even know. At least three times at least. I was is totally airborne. I can't even reach the claps. Holy smokes. Oh, goodness. Wow, that was totally different, you know. I didn't know it pushes you up. And yeah, I think we're out. I'm following you. Okay, I think we got a lot to say here. We'll see you in just a minute. All right, just coming off of Pipeline, Surf Coaster. Wow, that was different. What'd you think?
I was just gonna say, that was definitely different. I wasn't expecting the feet to completely lift off the platform. So that was kind of, I don't know.
Yeah,
there.
I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not. Maybe it is, but you get into that negative G.
Definitely different.
And it lifts you all the way up and you're just like flying in the air, and then it kind of brings you back down to the feet. Maybe it's supposed to simulate like bouncing on the waves or something.
Yeah, it does give you a little bouncy room, I guess.
Definitely leave the surfboard like 2 or 3 times on that. Really fun ride, totally unique. They're just running one train. It's very hot out. We actually had someone pass out in line just ahead of us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go get hydrated up. It's like over 100 degrees today, so we got to be careful with that, just not to get too overheated. But we're having a great time. That aside, at this park, it's been a wonderful time. Great coasters, great rides, great animal attractions, and we're having a great time. So thanks for joining us on this one. We will have all the coasters out there and a walking tour and all the animal encounters. Also, leave us a comment if we saw you here. We talked to a lot of people at this park too. Let us know in the comments if we saw you, and we'll comment back on all that. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.